Bremerhaven is a unique port city on Germany's North Sea coast, shaped by its long maritime history and its role as one of Europe's most important harbors. The city was founded in 1827 when Bremen acquired land at the mouth of the Weser River to establish a direct link to the sea. From its earliest days, Bremerhaven became a gateway to the world, sending ships laden with goods to faraway destinations and welcoming immigrants heading to the New World. During the 19th and early 20th centuries, millions of Europeans passed through Bremerhaven on their journey to America, making it one of the most significant emigration ports in Europe. The city's maritime character is still visible everywhere. One of the main attractions is the German Emigration Center, a museum that tells the moving stories of people who left Europe in search of a better life. Nearby, the German Maritime Museum takes visitors on a journey through centuries of seafaring, with exhibitions featuring historic ships, navigation tools, and tales of naval exploration. The Old Harbor District, known as the Schaufenster Fischereihafen, combines history with culinary pleasures. Here, you can stroll past restored warehouses, enjoy fresh fish straight from the sea, and soak in the atmosphere of a working fishing port. Bremerhaven is also home to the impressive Klimahaus, a science and adventure museum where visitors travel along the 8th degree of longitude across the globe, experiencing the climates, cultures, and ecosystems of places from the icy Antarctic to the hot African savanna. Just steps away stands the striking Sail City Tower, a modern landmark shaped like a ship's sail, offering panoramic views over the harbor, the River Weser, and the endless North Sea horizon. For those who enjoy the outdoors, the city's waterfront promenades are perfect for walking or cycling, with sea breezes and the sight of massive ships docking and departing. The Zoo am Meer, perched dramatically on the waterfront, gives visitors a chance to see polar bears, seals, and penguins in settings that reflect their natural environments, all with sweeping views of the sea. Bremerhaven also hosts lively events, such as the Sail Bremerhaven Festival, which draws tall ships from around the world and fills the harbor with sails, music, and celebration. The city offers plenty of opportunities to taste northern German specialties. From Matthias herring and smoked fish to hearty stews and fresh seafood, Bremerhaven's culinary culture reflects its maritime roots. Exploring the local restaurants and fish stands is a highlight in itself. Bremerhaven is more than just a harbor. It is a city where history, science, culture, and the sea come together. Whether you are exploring museums, enjoying the vibrant harbor life, or simply gazing out at the ships that connect Germany with the wider world, Bremerhaven leaves a lasting impression as a dynamic city shaped by its deep connection to the ocean.